It is getting much colder lately here in East Coast. My family was just telling me the other day that it snowed in my hometown and sent me those pictures and videos. I don't do well in cold weather, but I do love to get cozy inside a warm house, sipping coffee and see beautiful winter scene from inside. So, to enjoy this beautiful season with you, I wanted to make this winter house flute-topped video today. So, let's start. Here's the cookie cutters I'm using today to make the house. I'm using this pastry tip, mini circle cookie cutter and mini rectangle cookie cutter to cut windows, and using these 2 square cookie cutters for the walls and roofs. Today I'm using TART dough from this video, so check it out if you want to learn how to make it step by step, but you can use any of your favorite sweet top class recipe. Now I'm dicing toasted mixed nuts, but use any nuts you like. This is going to be attached on the roofs and make the roof look like the snow is piled up nicely on the surface after I dust powdered sugar on top. So that is my trick. And we're gonna use this egg plater to attach those nuts. Now the dough is nice and chilled. I'm cutting the 6cm square into 4 pieces like this, attach on the walls and create windows like this. They are going to be a front and back of the house. And for each side walls, I cut a circle window and side door like this. And the bigger ones are going to be the roof. I'm cutting the one side just slightly like this so that the roof is not going to be too long. Just keep in mind that I am making the double amount to make 2 houses just as a backup. And I'm so glad I did because I actually broke one. You will see the moment later. Now brush egg between them. It does the job as a glue. Apply evenly but not too much to create beautiful look. Also brush on the roof parts nice and evenly. And add gentle pressures to attach nuts. I coat eggs between them a couple times to really ensure they are sticked. And added attic windows in front and back doors. Chill in the fridge again before baking. Next, let's make pastry cream. Watch this video for the step-by-step tutorial. It explains all the tips and tricks, but first add milk, vanilla beans, and half amount of sugar and heat up until it starts simmering. Meanwhile, mix egg and the rest of the sugar. Add salt, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour and mix well. Pour your hot milk and mix. Pour it back into the pan and continue mixing overheating until it starts boiling and starch and flours are completely cooked through. Add butter and mix and strain. Wrap and chill in the fridge. I didn't have time to finish it right after, so I stored it with silica gel inside, which keep the crust nice and crispy. When you use silicone mesh mat to bake them, it creates this beautiful texture which is perfect to create house walls, in my opinion, so make sure to show the side when you build the house. Now we are actually built in the house. To match color with the crust, I used milk chocolate today, pipe between walls, like that. Pipe good amount so that they are not going to come off easily later. Do the same thing for the other side. As a tip, I like to chill the crust before piping so that the chocolate gets hardened a little bit faster. Attach roof pots as well. And let it chill in the fridge completely. Then pipe chocolate between the gap and attach more nuts to complete the loop. And attach those two pieces together with chocolate. And chill one more time. Now the pastry cream is completely chilled. It is set and kind of lavery like this first, but break it down by hands or by machine and it gets smooth again. And now for decoration, I'm whipping heavy cream and sugar together. I like thick but smooth texture this time to make it look like beautiful snow. I added about half of the whipped cream into a half amount of the pastry cream to make it a little bit more fluffier and lighter. But it is just optional, and if you're going to add, you can also add less or more whipped cream as you like. Now finally it's time to finish off and create beautiful winter scene. First, spread some whipped cream as you like as snow. Place your house. Hide the doors with raspberries so that the cream does not come out too much, and pipe cream inside up to right below windows. Today I'm using persimmons to hide holes of windows so that the cream does not come out, but you can use any fruits you like. I recommend fruits with yellow color or orange color to give warm, cozy vibe. And pipe more cream. Save some space to decorate fruits on top. And here, this accident happened. I pushed in this raspberry with too much pressures and the chocolate glue came off. Oh my god. But good thing I made one more. Let's scoop it out and start over. So one advice to you, don't add any big pressure to the walls when you're assembling them to avoid this. Use any fruits you like, maybe add some micro flowers inside, that would be so beautiful, and create your own little fruit-topped house. Make sure your roof is closed all the way. And to create plants next to the house, I used carrot root this time. I wanted to use chovels, but I could not find it, so it may not be ideal, but this kind of looks similar and it worked fine. But you can use any herbs or any ingredients you like. Dust powdered sugar on top. And I added crunchy meringue around the house. This gives nice light crispy texture and make this pretty dessert look extra fancy and delicious. For anyone who are interested in learning how to make it, I'm actually sharing it at the end of the video, so keep watching. Now this is optional, but I used the whipped cream to hide the gap. I really liked it. It gave more nice winter atmosphere. And at last, to finish off, let it snow with powdered sugar in magical winterland is finally here.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Welcome.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Ta-da!
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the picture of a superstar.
Oh, look at this.
What's in there?
Look, Mama.
Yeah. Do you see inside? Yeah. What's in there? Do you want to open and find out?
Something that her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Lining up to see her.
At the window.
There must be something that her features.
Goes in.
You'll find her beauty goes much
Is it?
deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
Look, Mama.
I see they don't understand.
The door.
Like Picasso. She brushed
Knock,
up
knock.
against my hands. Seen you from around the way you
Do you want to eat the loaf?
making moves that you who really care what Simon said. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that.
Dip in the whipped cream. Looks great here.
No! Sit down.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa.
Yummy.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a
Success?
Mona Lisa.
Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you
My next video.
in our next video.
Goes much deeper. Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard.
Thank you for watching the video.
Good job, Ray Ray.
Gucci's lights, yeah, yeah.
Hey, me.
Where she hides under her disguise.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All the dudes are trying to score like it's fun. She lives a double life, puts on a show, what's under the subtle smile. We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
Oh, it's a choo-choo train. Oh, it looks like choo-choo train.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to
What's
meet
that?
her. She's a Mona
Alright, so let's make crunchy meringue. Today I'm using French meringue, but in the past I made meringue cookies with Italian meringue. So check this video as well. With French meringue, it is a lot more easy because you whip same amount of egg whites and granulated sugar together. Just 2 ingredients. I used 2 eggs today, so I got about 66 grams of egg whites. First, whip egg whites until it gets fluffy. Add half amount of sugar, whip until it gets thick. Add the rest of the sugar and continue whipping until it gets stiff and fluffy. Immediately pipe and bake while the meringue is still in good condition. You can pipe like drops or any sizes and shapes you like. Touch the surface, and when it is hardened or still slightly soft but almost hardened, it is done. It gets crunchier once it gets cooled down. When you don't eat right away, add silica gel inside like this and store in an airtight container to keep it crispy. I'll leave the link below for your reference.
You're gonna be surprised with this. Ha! What is that? How is it?
Candy.
Is it delicious? I love that sound. Ooh.